This is a very advanced meditation taught by Trilokinath, the guru of Shankarnath, and it's called the Mahamula meditation. It helps you to get to the root problem that is bothering you, whether it's your health, your finances, whatever it is. If you practice this meditation every day, you will get self awareness and you'll be able to change how you feel about things and start to feel positive about it. And that's really the first step to change. So, those of you who are feeling stuck in life, I want you to practice this meditation. Do it daily along with the video.
One of the most important practices is the sharpening of your senses. The way to do that is to visualize yourself. It's a very important practice. It's very hard as well, okay? So I just want everybody to close your eyes and make an image of yourself. You'll find that it's, even though you obsess so much about yourself, it's very difficult to get a clear face, okay? Try to make a clear face of yourself. You take so many selfies, but, for some people it's really easy. For some people it's not at all easy because you never noticed what you like. Okay, so try to clearly see yourself as someone else would see you. Can you see yourself as someone else would see you? Immediately you have empathy. So try to visualize yourself as someone else will see you. And try, whatever costume you're wearing now, whatever clothes you're wearing now, try to see yourself in those clothes. So slowly come down, look at your neck. Look at your jewelry if you're wearing any. And then try to see your own clothes with all the textures and whatever that you're wearing right now. And if you're finding all of this difficult, go to a mirror, look at yourself properly for a few seconds, and then try to visualize it. You can cheat, no problem. Or open your phone and look into it and make the camera on and see yourself. Slowly start constructing all of your parts in your mind. How is your hand? How are your nails? Can you zoom in? Can you zoom out? Can you see the spots on your nails, if any? Or if not, do you see the colors on it? Can you see your waist? Can you see your thighs and your legs? Do you see your toes? Or your shoes, whatever you're wearing? Once you're able to make even a reasonably good image of yourself, I want you to slowly rotate that image. One whole circle anti-clockwise so that you can see every part of it. And then rotate it clockwise. Now start sending that image far away while making it bigger and bigger and bigger. So it should become as big as a mountain, but it should be also as far as a mountain. So you can still see it clearly, it's really big. Can you see yourself? And now do one more rotation. See if you can rotate that image again. See if you can rotate that image again. And let go of all tension in your body and let go of all tension in the image. Now you can see the image, you can see where it's tense. Start letting go of the tension there and in your own body as well. Now try to see in that image, can you see an aura around it? Try to see how is the energy flowing. From the top, energy is coming from the sky. It's hitting your head, and how does that energy flow? Try to see that, try to feel that. In that big image, same energy is flowing in your body as well. Try to see what color the energy is. What does it look like? It looks like a plasma, right? The fourth state of matter. Looks like that. It's just ions, charged up ions flowing from the sky through your body and flowing into the earth, and then building an energetic field around you, an aura. How big is that aura? Can you take a few breaths and change its size? How big can you make it? Can you make all the energy flow smooth without any jumps? You'll notice that whatever you do to that image is happening to your body as well. So let that image be there for your reference so that you can always see yourself and always correct yourself. Keep it there, far away, big, always, in the background of whatever you're doing. Let this image of you be there, reflecting your current state. So build this machine, and you can always refer to the image and say, oh, look, the image has suffered, it's doing bad, let me fix it. Fix the image and your body will also fix. So readjust yourself and enhance your own image, make it more and more beautiful. You will become more beautiful. You want your hair to grow thicker, make the hair grow thicker on the image. And your hair will grow thicker. That's how I grew my hair back. You can do anything you want to that image, and it will start reflecting in your body. Okay? But that image will always show you how your body is right now. And if you want changes, make it in the image. Within a few weeks, your body will catch up with those changes. But if you can't visualize how you want your body to be, you cannot have health. Let me tell you this. You want your pimples to be gone, then visualize that face without pimples. And sometimes when you're trying to visualize something, you'll get a big resistance, and that's your ego. Okay? You'll come face to face with your ego, and then you really need to let it go. Like, no, don't be afraid to be fabulous. There's a lot of fear that people have to be fabulous. You cannot make a fabulous image of yourself because somebody's told you that you can't be fabulous. Let it all go. I want everyone listening here to be fabulous. Everyone who catches this video, even after the recording, or if you catch the recording, I want you to understand that, you are very fabulous. See what you can do. You can make an image and directly affect the energy in your body. How powerful are you? Then why should you go on blaming others? Take charge of your life. Okay, this is a blessing from Shakti herself. May she always bless you with the truth of who you are. Jai Bhavani. Slowly open your eyes.
This was an old video, but I think it's still relevant and evergreen. So I wish that all of you practice this, and when you get results, let me know. Follow for more yoga content.